Hi all, we continue study tourism. This time you have to explore different sectors of tourism and assess economic, environmental, cultural and social impact of tourism and develop a presentation, such as PowerPoint presentation, that visually demonstrates the impact of tourism on the community of your choice. At first, I'd like you to take a city tour. It helps you to learn more about the city and explore different sectors of tourism, which are transportations, accommodations, food and beverage, attractions, adventure tourism, special event, travel and tourism services. From my point of view, Big Bus City Tour is the best for that purpose, but you can take any city tour you like. During the tour, you have to listen carefully and ask questions. Tour guide is a great source of information. In addition of the information provided, you can observe a professional tour guide and learn how to answer the tourist question and how to deal with different types of customers. Collect printed resources of businesses in all 8 sectors of tourism. After that, you have to take your research regarding economic, environmental, cultural and social impact of tourism in Vancouver or BC. You can find the main ideas in your textbook, such as snapshots, an introduction to tourism, and companion website for the book, and other websites related to your project. Analyze the information you have found based on the model provided. Start working an organization of your findings from assessing the social impact of the tourism in your chosen community. Then, evaluate the economic impact of the tourism. After that, analyze the influence of the tourism to the environment. And then, think about the cultural impact of tourism on the surrounding community. I'd like to remind you what constitutes the social impact of tourism. For instance, how tourism affects community development. Think about how does development of historical site affects an Aboriginal community of your choice. And while attending the tour of your choice, pick any tourist attraction as an example of the ways in which the particular attraction has benefited the development of the surrounding area and community. Think about the positive and negative ways in which the tourism affects an economical life of the community. Examples of positive impact: the tourism creates jobs, brings in money into the community for the possible development of local heritage and culture. Examples of negative impact: the tourism often brings in strangers into the community who do not have the best interest of the local in mind. Environmental impact of tourism. Think about the ways in which tourism preserves nature and culture and educates tourists, or creates various kinds of problems such as pollution and increase of waste. Please present one of each, the positive and negative examples. Positive: education and preserve nature and Aboriginal culture. Negative: pollution and waste. Cultural impact of tourism. Please provide an example of both positive and negative impact of tourism development in a particular community of your choice. Examples of positive impact: tourism helps to protect, support and preserve culture. Examples of negative impact: commercializes the cultural heritage and therefore creates a risk of loss of authenticity. Ask yourself, are all segments of history adequately and correctly presented to visitors? Are locals involved in the construction of the way in which their heritage is presented? Please provide our presentation to the class.